Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the platform. Mintos, accessible at www.mintos.com/en, is a prominent global online marketplace for investing in loans. It offers individual investors the opportunity to diversify their portfolios by providing access to a broad range of loan types originated by various lending companies across the globe. These loan originators are carefully vetted by Mintos and operate under specific criteria designed to mitigate risk for investors. This platform facilitates investment in personal loans, business loans, car loans, and various other forms of credit. Investors can choose to invest manually, selecting individual loans based on their preferred criteria, or automate the process with tools like Auto Invest, allowing the platform to invest their funds automatically based on preset parameters. Mintos offers a range of features designed to enhance the investor experience, including detailed information about each loan originator, performance statistics, and a secondary market where investors can buy and sell existing loan investments. This provides liquidity and flexibility, enabling investors to manage their portfolios actively. Furthermore, the platform incorporates risk mitigation strategies such as buyback guarantees on certain loans, providing an additional layer of security. While Mintos presents a potentially lucrative avenue for investment, it's crucial to understand that investing involves inherent risks. Loan defaults can occur, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's essential to conduct thorough research, diversify your investments, and only invest funds you can afford to lose. Mintos provides resources and tools to help investors make informed decisions, but ultimately, the responsibility for managing risk lies with the individual investor. Always remember to carefully review all the terms and conditions before making any investment decisions.